Hey guys, and welcome to the Hackinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to pass data as a reference in Python programming language. As you know, data can be passed in the form of a value or reference in many programming languages. However, in Python programming language, the method of passing data by reference is not spoken clearly and not focused a lot on. However, we can do some manipulation and obtain the method to pass data in the form of a reference. So let me show you a simple example of what I'm trying to explain here. So what I've done is I've created a simple data that is a list and stores certain numbers in the range of 1 to 4. Then I create a simple function called as pass by, and for the timing I haven't written whether it is passed by value or passed by reference. So we will check that and then infer. Then I've created a simple argument data, and then I've created some simple print statements which will help us understand the execution of the code. And now let me simply run this function and check what happens. So first thing is, what I do is I print this statement saying that before updating the list. So before updating, the data is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we update the data that is inserted to a new set of values, that is 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we print that data as you can see in the line 8. And then we're obviously calling the function, and after the execution and calling of the function, we print a new statement saying that after updating. So what we did is we updated the data to 4, 5, 6, 7, but you can see in the print statement the data is still 1, 2, 3, 4, because the data passed here is passed in the form of a value. So what happens is, in the passing of data in the form of a value, only its value is passed, not the reference. In the terms of reference, its address point is taken and going to the address where the data is stored, the data manipulation takes place. Because of which, even after updating the data, we did not find any difference in our data set. So what I'll write here, it is called as pass by value. Now, to make the change in pass by value to pass by reference, it's really simple. So let me show you that. And now I'll just copy this lines of code and paste it right down here. And instead of pass by value, I'll change the function name to pass by reference. And obviously it will take in a data, and I'll also write the print statements. And now I'll change the data to 4, 5, 6. But instead of printing, what I shall do is I shall return that data. So basically I will make a return call of my data that is present, and then we can take that data and use it in our functions. So now I'll simply call the data, and then I will say pass by reference, and again in the arguments the data will go as the argument calling method. And let me just comment these lines of codes for the time. And now let's run the code. So it says before updating 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's nothing come after that because I simply need to print the data. So let me print it. And as you can see now, it says before updating 1, 3, 4, and now the data is changed to 4, 5, 6, 7. So let me even prove it to you by using the print statement of the same line that we took from above. And now let me print it, and voila, as you can see, before updating the values 1, 3, 4, and now it's 4, 5, 6. So basically we manipulated our data to be returned in a new form using the return keyword in Python. So using this method, we can make changes in our data and return them so that they can be taken out and wrapped to functions of certain data. So that's it from this quick video where we understood how to pass data in the form of a reference. But do note, this is not the perfect method of referencing your data. If you want to understand how data is passed through referencing methods, I would suggest you to learn them using a static typed language such as C or C++. Likewise, if you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the Hackinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.